Hi guys, welcome to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. Guys, today I'm going to do a reading for your career. Okay, so as usual friends, I have kept 3 piles over here. I would request you to choose any one of them. Alright, before I proceed further guys, keep in mind that this is a general reading. It will resonate to most of you but not all of you. Okay, so you can choose any of these piles and follow your intuition. Okay, so let's see what's coming up for you in your career. Now this is a timeless reading, so whenever you come across this video it will resonate to you. Okay, so I would request you to follow your intuition and choose any one of these piles. Okay, this is group number 1, group number 2, group number 3. We are going to see what's coming up for you. Okay, so I'm going to give you a minute guys. All right, I think you may have chosen your pile, so I'll proceed further with group number 1. All right, so let me keep the cards aside. This is number 3. I'm going to keep it here. And this is number 2. All right, so let me shuffle the cards. So let's see what's coming up for group number 1 in your career. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to shuffle and see what's coming up for you, group number 1. Okay, the first card. This has to come out, Princess of Swords. So let me pull out some more cards before I proceed further, group number 1. Okay, this is 4 of Swords. This is Hermit. This is 5 of Wands. And I'll pull out one more card. We have the Knight of Cups in reverse. I think we had the 4 of Wands in reverse too. Okay. Group number 1, I strongly feel that some of you are waiting to get a job offer. Okay, you're waiting for some opportunities, waiting for new business proposal, contracts. You have been talking to a lot of people. You are literally talking to people around you so that you get some offer, looking for jobs. I do see that some of you may have left a job or you were asked to leave a job. You know, I do see that kind of a message here. So I do see a lot of competition. You guys are facing a lot of competition to get a job, to get a business proposal. You know, your priority is to earn the basic salary or the basic things that you are hoping and wishing for. You want the basic things to be met. So we have the Wheel of Fortune, the Fool, and the 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Wow, such an amazing reading, group number 1. Okay, let me see one more card and then I'll start. I'll pull out 2 more cards rather. I'll pull out 2 more cards and then I'll start. Yeah, I think you have been communicating to a lot of people. So maybe you are speaking to your bosses, some ex-bosses, or your ex-client, or people around you. And I do see that there is a competition that you're facing. Like, that for the same position there are 5 other people who have applied, so things are very difficult at this moment. You are hoping and wishing that things turn out to be in your favor. Death. Amazing. Some of you are almost on a verge of getting a job offer, but I do see delays there. You're almost on a verge of getting a business idea, or a business contract, but there is a delay, and you are hoping and wishing and praying to get this job or to get this contract, something like this. Now, what's coming up for you is a wheel of fortune. I do see that your life is going to change. Group number 1, upside down. I see that you are heading towards a very beautiful future. I do see a job opportunity that you're going to get very soon. Now, this could be 10 weeks. This could be 3 weeks. 2 weeks, 10 weeks. Okay, so within next 2 months or 3 months you are going to get this offer very soon. I do see that you are heading, maybe some of you may accept a job offer. You may think that it's a risk, but I think you are going to jump into this. Okay, you are going to go and grab that thing, that offer that comes across your way. I do see that you are having financial constraints, but you are going to come out of it very soon. Okay, things are going to get better. I do see a new chapter starting for you, group number 1. So some of you, I told you, this could be a new job, a new contract, new project, new business idea. I do see that all the pain and hurt that you have been going through in the last 6 months, in the last 3 months, I think that is coming to an end. Okay, group number 1, I do see that things are going to change in your favor, and you are going to get this job offer. You are going to get the project that you were looking for, and I do see such beautiful changes for you. Yeah, things are going to turn. We have the wheel of fortune. Okay, some of you are literally waiting for an offer. It's like maybe you are at home, you are unemployed since 2 months, 6 months. Okay, and you're literally waiting and hoping and wishing that you get the job, you get the salary that you're expecting, and things are going to be better. I do see things coming up your way. Okay, I do see a new job offer, a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a Scorpio who may come up with this offer, or you may work under them, so you are going to get this opportunity very soon. So let me see any other message for you. Is there anything else for you, group number 1? Okay, what is this? Princess of Cups. Yeah, you're going to get something that you really love. I think you're going to do something that you love. Yeah, that's what I feel. You're highly emotional about the career that you have chosen, or the path that you have chosen. Wow, Queen of Pentacles. You are going to get that. How else do you want me to prove you, group number 1? So whatever you have been waiting, I think that's coming your way. All right. So let me see if I have any other message here for you. Any other message for group number 1? Okay, I think this card wants to come out. Fighting. Didn't I tell you? There's competition. You're fighting and struggling to get a job. Some of you are very stressed about your finances, worried. But this is all going to come to an end. I do see you getting a job. I do see you getting a proposal. And it is going to happen very soon. Very soon. Going with the flow. See? I told you guys are going with the flow. That's a message. Just go with the flow, because this is coming to you very soon. A loneliness. You're feeling lonely. And this is the last card, which says that, you are not going to settle for anything less than what you want. So maybe things are coming your way, but you are not happy. So that is why maybe you are rejecting some offers. So you're waiting for the thing that you love. You are not going to settle for anything less. You want something as per your standard. You want something as per your status. So I do see that kind of an energy. But you don't have to worry, guys. Look at this. We have the Princess of Cup with the Queen of Pentacles. So just hold on. You are going to get this job offer. You're going to get this contract very soon. Okay. It may take around 4 weeks to 2-3 months. Okay. Anywhere between 4 weeks to 10 weeks. But I do see these changes coming your way within 10 weeks. Okay, so that is it, group number 1. I really hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. And you can stay in touch with me. My Instagram, Facebook page, everything is mentioned below in the description box. You can stay connected to me there. Okay, so that is it, group number 1. Love you all. You take care. Bye. I'll proceed further to people who chose group number 2. Okay. Welcome, group number 2. Let's see what do we have in store for you, group number 2. Okay, the first card that popped up is this. Alright, so let's see what's coming up for group number 2. Okay, this card wants to come out. 10 of Swords. Oh my god. 2 of Wands. What is this? 3 of Wands. Let's see what do we have for my group number 2. Okay. We have the 4 of Pentacles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. Okay. Group number 2. I feel that some of you have been broken and hurt as far as your career is concerned. Somebody betrayed you, or somebody just broke your trust as far as your career is concerned. I feel that maybe you have been sacked in the company, or somebody out of the blue, they just came and told you that, you know, you are no longer needed in the company, or, you know, you put your papers. I do see that kind of an energy. So you feel backstabbed, group number 2. Okay, you feel backstabbed. You feel that you have done so much for this company, and what is it that you got? You know, they've asked you to leave. That kind of an energy. Some of you are looking for some opportunities in a different country. You are doing all that you can. You are, you know, applying for various jobs online, doing all the things. You're sitting at home and doing things online. You're very focused, and you're waiting for the right projects, waiting for the right job offer. I do see business. Some of you want to do business, and you're waiting for the right project, right contract coming your way. 4 of Pentacles with the 6 of Pentacles. Some of you really love this job. You know, you are very close to this job, and you are being asked to leave. I do see that kind of energy. For some of you, I feel that you're waiting for your finances to be released. You know, you are not getting money on time, and even if you're not getting it completely. So you're worried about that. You're very, very careful about how you spend. You know, you are very, very careful about the way you are spending. Okay, you don't want to splurge, and you don't want to spend your money. So you're being very, very careful. When you spend your money, you're being very careful while spending your money. Okay, so the Moon here with the 6 of Pentacles. Let me see What else do we get for you? Group number 2. Let's see what's coming up for you. Wow, we have the Ace of Pentacles here. I do see that group number 2, I feel that you may have to wait a bit, but I do see an offer coming your way. Okay, a new job offer, a new business offer, whatever it is, whatever you have been doing in your own field, you are going to get that. Okay, you've been waiting and wishing for something, and you are going to get that. Here comes the Ace of Pentacles with the 6 of Pentacles. We have the 4 of Pentacles, so you are going to get it. I just see that, I just feel that some of you may have to wait, wait for some time. Now this could be 2 months, 3 months, something like this, but I do see a wait period for some of you. Okay, not for all. Some of you may get it within a month, but some of you it may take 3 months also. Okay, so there is a wait period, but you are surely going to get this. Okay, so let me see, what do we have for group number 2? What's coming up for group number 2? You're not getting your finances. Some of you, I feel that you're literally asking for your money. You're waiting for your salary. You're not getting your salary and you're worried about that. You are disappointed. Group number 2. Maybe you feel that your company is paying somebody else but not paying you enough. I do see that. You feel ignored. Group number 2. You are in a situation where you literally are waiting to get your money, waiting to get something, but you're not getting it. You feel that somebody else is getting, but you are not getting. I do see that kind of an energy here. Okay, but surely you are going to get this. Okay, you just have to wait for a while. Group number 2. 5 of Wands. There is competition. There's no doubt about it. I think there is a lot of competition in your field. Whatever you are doing, group number 2, it's like, at least 5 people are struggling for the same job offer, or 5 people are struggling for the same pay raise, or people are waiting for promotion. I do see that kind of an energy, but there is a wait period. You feel that you have been waiting since so long and you are just tired. Some of you are like literally wishing that, you're praying that your job gets secured. You don't want to lose a job, you don't want to lose a contract, so you're wishing and hoping that your existing job, if you are in an existing job, you don't lose it. That is what you've been wishing for, that kind of an energy. Let me see group number 2, what else do we get for you? I think you may get an offer from an Aries, Leo, Saggy, or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So somebody who may offer you a job, maybe their sun sign is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or an Aries, Leo, Saggy, or they may have these sun signs in their chart. You feel betrayed. Some of you, I feel that you feel betrayed, you feel hurt, you feel that the person you trusted the most, or the company you trusted the most, they have betrayed you. You are hurt. Group number 2. I do see that energy for some of you. It's like, somebody just, you invested so much, and what is it that you get? Nothing. So you feel hurt and betrayed. I do see that kind of an energy. Hangman. Yeah, you guys are waiting. So whatever it is, guys, I do see an offer coming your way. It's going to take at least 10 weeks to 3 months. For group number 2, I do see that the time period is more. Okay, so you may have to wait for some more time. All right, but this is coming your way for sure. So just be happy, guys. Things are going to turn up in your favor. This is all because of Corona, the lockdown, etc., etc. Things are happening. People are being sacked. People have lost their jobs, and this is not just you. Okay, everybody around is in the same situation, more or less the same situation. So just hang on, be patient. That's what the message is here. Okay, just be patient, just surrender. You are going to get what you want. Okay, so let's see, what do we have for group number 2 here? Let's see, what do we have for group number 2? I think think this card wants to come out. This card came for group number 1 also. So you guys are not going to settle for something less. You know, I feel that some of you are being offered something, but you are rejecting because you are not happy with the profile, or you're not happy with the salary, and you don't want to settle for less. You know, I do see that kind of an energy. You are getting something, but you're not happy. That kind of an energy. I got this card for group number 1 also. So yeah. Okay, this card wants to come out, the dream. I think you're waiting for a dream job. You know, you really want something, and that is what you're going to get. You're dreaming. I think there is a kind of job, or there is a kind of profile that you want, and you're hoping and wishing for that thing. You know, it's a dream. You know, some of you're focused on your dreams. You feel that, you know, you have such massive dreams, and how will you achieve them? You know, so you're thinking a lot about how will you achieve your dreams, how will you achieve your goals. I do see that kind of an energy. You want your dream job. Okay, group number 2, that is what I feel. You want a dream job, dream project, dream contract, whatever the case is. Yeah, this is all you want. Your focus is work at this moment. Group number 2, you don't care about anything at this moment. So let me see, what do we have for group number 2? Okay, this card just popped up. This card just fell down. Clinging to the past. I told you, some of you are stuck to a job that's no more with you. You know, I told you, some of you may have been sacked, or you were asked to leave, and you're holding on to that past job, holding on to the past salary, holding on to the past profile or past contract. You feel that that was so good, and all of a sudden it's not there. You know, I see that kind of an energy for you, group number 2. So you are stuck to your past, group number 2. Okay, you're stuck to your past. You are in a phase where you're not happy. You are sulking internally. Maybe you don't show it to people, but yes, internally you're hiding your pain, group number 2. You're hiding your pain. You're sulking. You don't show it to people. You know, your mind is going berserk. You are stressed over this, group number 2. I do see stressed energy. Okay, I do see a lot of stress in this reading. You know, I do see some of you're disappointed. You're having some sleepless nights. You're worrying, and I do see that there are people around you who are demotivating you. For some of you, I feel that there are some people around you who are demotivating you. So if that's the case, guys, stay away from such people, okay, who have no other work but to demotivate. Alright, so if you are stuck with people around you who are trying to demotivate you, or who are trying to blame you for something, stay away from such people. You don't need such people in your life, okay? You have a choice. Staying with them or to not be with them is your choice. Make a choice. Don't be with negative people, okay? So there are some people who are trying to blame you for whatever things have gone wrong, or whatever it is, I don't know, but stay away from such negative people, okay? Make a choice. You always and always have a choice, okay? You don't need such negative people in your life. Yeah. Ripeness. See, I told you, some of you're going to get this job. I told you there is a job offer that's coming your way. Maybe you are in talking terms. Maybe you are going through some interview rounds, whatever it is, but things are going to take, I think things are at a very initial stage, guys, okay? Things are at a very initial stage. It will take time to grow. So if you are already in a job where you're not happy, I think things are going to take time to grow, okay? Situations are difficult. Things will turn in your favor very soon, but it is at a very initial stage. So you need time, okay? You need time. You have to wait to get success. You have to wait for what you're wishing and hoping for. And for some of you, you know, you are giving interviews, you're going through some you're looking for job opportunities online, whatever it is. I think things are very ripe at this moment, okay? We're at a very initial stage. So I think you need some time, okay? The message that I get here is just have faith and patience. That is what is required, okay? Group number 2, you need to have faith and patience, all right? Let me see one more message for you, group number 2. Let's see if I have any more message for you. Some of you, you're worried about the competition. You know, you are facing a lot of competition in your field. You feel that your contracts or your job offer has gone to somebody else, or you know, you fear losing your job, you fear losing the contract, something like this. So whatever it is, I think this is just temporary, group number 2. You have to wait. You have to wait for 2 to 3 months, okay? Things are going to turn up in your favor very soon. For some of you, I do feel that October could be prominent, okay? So some of you, I think things are going to change from October. All right, so you may have to wait. Now this is for some of you, not all of you, but for some of you, I feel that things are going to change from October. So you may have to wait. Now I've got 2 more cards. One is awareness and the other is isolation. Yeah, some of you I told you, you have isolated yourself. You know, you have isolated yourself. You are not meeting people, you're not socializing, you're stuck in your house. You don't know what to do. You are crying, mourning over the job you have lost, mourning over the contract that you have lost. I think this card is trying to tell you, okay, what is this card trying to tell you? I feel that you internally know, group number 3, that things are going to turn in your favor. You know internally. It's just that you're still being in that phase where you are hurt, broken, shattered, disappointed. So just don't be there, okay? Just be happy. Things are going to change for you. Look at this Ace of Pentacles with the 6 of Pentacles. We have the 4 of Pentacles. You just have to wait for a while. That's it. You are going to get this soon. Okay, you are going to get the offer that you want. It's coming. It's at a very initial stage. Okay, so just have faith and patience. Things are going to turn for you in your favor. So I feel like pulling out some cards from this deck. Just a sec. Okay, I just felt like I didn't do it for group number 1, but I feel like pulling out some cards from this deck. So let me see if I have any message for you, group number 1 from this deck. Sorry, group number 2 from this deck. Any message for group number 2? Please give me a message. Any message for group number 2? Let me see if I have any message for you, group number 2. Okay. No, I'm going to shuffle more. Let it pop out first. Okay, I get it. I have got 2 cards here. Trust, and it's up to you. I told you, didn't I tell you? Trust this journey, trust the process. You are going to get what you want, group number 2, okay? And the second message is up to you. Some of you have been offered a job, but it is not as per your what you desired, something like this, or something, maybe they are offering you less salary, or maybe they are not giving you the profile that you want. So this card is trying to tell you it's up to you whether you want to join this offer or not, okay? And if you don't want to join this, no worries, you can wait. All right, either you join this company temporary, be there, okay, and wait for the right time, and once the time is right, you can jump to a new company. All right, you can do that also. Some of you, this card is trying to tell you that maybe there is a job offer that you have been offered, but you are not happy with the profile, you're not happy with the salary, maybe they are paying you less. So if that's the case, this card is trying to tell you that accept the offer meanwhile, and once the time is right or markets are up, you can join another company, all right, at a better package, better salary. As of now, you can accept if you want, okay? There's no harm in accepting a job offer that doesn't meet your requirement. Now, at least for some time you can do that, okay? This is one message for you. And for the others of you who are really looking for the contract, the projects, whatever, just trust, because you are going to get that. See, all the cards are trying to tell me that you are going to get that. It's just that you have to wait, because the wait period is there. We have the Two of Wands with the Three of Wands. So we have the wait period for you, group number 2. Okay, just trust the process, wait, things are going to turn up in your favor. So let me see what else do we have for group number 2. I'll pull out one more last card. Let's see what do we have for group number 2. Any message for group number 2? Okay, I get it. Take action. See, I think some of you will have to do something. Okay, some of you are stuck, and some of you is stuck with something. You're not taking action. Maybe you may have to approach people, you may have to approach companies, you may have to put your CV out in job portals. I don't know, whatever it is, but I think you may have to take some action, group number 2. Okay, so follow your instinct. Follow your instinct. That's the message. Follow your heart, follow your instinct. I do see that your intuition is guiding you. So follow your intuition and take action towards it. All right, things are going to get better. Not better, you are going to get what you want for sure. You just have to wait for a while. Okay, so that is it, group number 2. I really hope you enjoyed my readings, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. And also, you can stay in touch with me. My Facebook page, Instagram, all these details are mentioned below in the description box. You can connect to me there. Okay, so that is it, group number 2. I will proceed to group number 3, and you guys take care. Love you all. Bye. Welcome, group number 3. Let's see what do we have in store for you, group number 3. We'll see what's coming up for you. Let's see what do we have for you, group number 3. Okay, we've got 2 cards. The first is Death, Page of Cups, 10 of Swords, and the World. Okay. Some of you've just been in a situation where you feel that, you know, you have got a new life all of a sudden. You feel that you are in a situation, you know, where everything has just crumbled down. Okay, there has been an end. Now, end to a job, end to a business or something, you know, a financial stress. There has been an end in a career, in your career, or there has been an end to something in your life. I do see that kind of an energy. You guys are going through a process where you feel that this is a rebirth for you, a new life. You may have got a new life, that kind of an energy. Some of you, I feel that there is a job offer that you really want, and you have an eye. You are speaking to people around you for that job offer. You're waiting and wishing to get a job. You are waiting and wishing to get an offer, a contract, something like this. You like something, but it's there. You have been in this energy of 10 of Swords and the World. I feel that things just crumble down in the past, and things are getting back on track for you now. Okay, it's like you're rising from the ashes, or you know, you're entering a new life, or you've just entered a new life. It's like you've got a new job, you've just joined a new job, or you've just got a contract and you are happy about it. But this is after an ending. Okay, some of you are going through this process where you may have lost a job. You are on a lookout for a new job or a new proposal, new contract, whatever it is. Yeah, some of you have already got a new job. You've just joined a new company, or you're working towards a new contract. You're happy about it. You know, you're happy about it. You have got this and you're quite content. but yet there is something more. You want something more. You're not so happy. You are happy, but yet you want something more. I do see that kind of an energy for you, group number 3. So let's see, what do we have for group number 3? It feels all new. You maybe this is a new job, maybe new boss or people around you. Everything is new. That kind of an energy. You are excited about this new job. You are excited about this new company, new project, whatever it is in your field. Let's see more. We'll pull out 2 more cards here. We'll see 2 more cards for you first. We'll see 2 more cards for you, group number 3. I'm not getting any cards for you, group number 3. What's happening? Let's see. Okay, finally, 7 of Wands. Some of you have been offered a job, but you are not interested. Yeah, you're not interested. You have some offers. For some of you, I feel it's not just one. You may have 2 or 3 offers, but you're not interested. Maybe you are happy with what you have. That kind of an energy. Okay, we have the 4 of Pentacles. Some of you are very fearful. You don't want to lose your existing job. You're very fearful of losing your job. I do see new beginnings. I told you, some of you are rising from the ashes. This is a new job, new offer, new contract coming your way. There has been a situation where you felt everything just crumbled down, and it's a rebirth for you, okay? Rebirth as far as your career is concerned. It's like the way you planned, it didn't happen that way, and all of a sudden things have just changed for you. It's a complete new life, new job, new offer, new field. Maybe you may have changed your field. Could be possible for some of you. I do see that some of you are facing some office politics or politics in your work environment, and you're just not paying attention. You're ignoring. You choose to ignore that. That kind of an energy. I don't get a message for you, group number 3. Why is it so difficult to get cards for you today? I don't know. Let me see. I do see stress in all the 3 piles for the first time. Usually it doesn't happen, but this time I do see that. At least yours is better than the other 2. Maybe because you have been through it already. I do see that kind of energy, group number 3. I don't have a card for you, group number 3. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm tired. I'm not getting any cards for you, group number 3. Oh my god, I think I'm going to shut it here. I'm going to close this here. I'm going to pick this pile. So let's see, what do we have for you, group number 3? Strange, but I didn't get any cards for you further. Let me pull cards from this deck. Maybe you don't have a message there. So let's see, what do we have for group number 3? We'll see what do we have for group number 3. Okay, I've got 2 cards finally. One is ripeness and the second is clinging to the past. I told you, some of you're stuck with your past memories. I think you are stuck with a job that's not there with you today. You are stuck with a profile that you don't have today, stuck with a salary that you don't have today. I do see that kind of an energy. Maybe you are thinking of something about your past. Now maybe you had a job which was very nice in the past and you don't have that job today, so you are holding and stuck to that job. You are stuck. You think about that job, you think about the salary that you were drawing, you think about the money that you were making in your previous company, that kind of an energy. For some of you, I feel that you are in a job or something which is at a very initial phase. Okay, so you may have to wait for things to grow in this current job. If you have given interviews or if you're waiting for the offer letter, I think things are too new. You are going to get it, but it's at a very initial phase. Okay, don't hold on to a past that's not there with you today. Yeah, you are unhappy about something. You're not, these 2 cards, they want to come out. Politics, I told you, some of you are going through some politics and conditioning. I think you will have to rewire your thoughts, group number 3. I think you have been made to believe that you are not good enough. Something like this. Somebody around you makes you feel that you're not good enough, and if that's the case, know your worth, group number 3. Okay, you are a lion. Okay, know that you have the power. You have the power to achieve whatever you want. You are not a page, you are a king, you are a queen, you are not a page. So you have the power. You feel that you have limitations. I do see that kind of an energy. You have been conditioned to think that you don't deserve this. I cannot do that. I wish I can, but I know I cannot. This is not what you should be thinking. You feel like doing a business, but you don't have the guts to do it. You want to do something, but you feel, no, this is not my cup of tea. There's something in you that tells you, no, go, do it. But then there's the second thought that comes in your mind. You are like, no, this is not what I'm made for. I don't think I can do it. You have some limiting beliefs. That's called self-sabotaging your own confidence. So please don't do that, okay? You can do whatever you want. It's just that you don't know your worth. Group number 3, you feel that you are a sheep and you don't even know that you are a lion. You can do, you have the power, but you are trying to be in this energy where you feel, no, you cannot do it. Okay, so whatever it is, there's something that's holding you back. Group number 3, I don't know, maybe some of you have some ideas. You want to do something, you can write, you want to do something, you want to start something on your, I don't know, whatever it is, you should go ahead. You feel that you cannot do it, but that's wrong. You can do it. What makes you feel that you cannot do it? I feel that you have the power, you have the potential, group number 3. Okay, you have the potential, but you have been conditioned in such a way that you feel, no, you cannot do it. That's wrong. That's wrong. You cannot be thinking like that. I do see that you, group number 3, you have the potential to achieve whatever you want. It's just that you're scared. You don't want to take risk. Please, you desire something but you don't want to go, and you don't have the guts to take the risk. Or you desire something but you are hesitant, or you're fearful of something. You fear failure, you fear rejection. I do see that kind of an energy here. Okay, so please don't be there. You have the potential. You can do whatever you want. Maybe some of you may have an idea in your mind, you want to explore. Go explore. This world is your playground. Go and play. Don't fear failure. Okay, you'll try once, you may fail. You'll try twice, you'll fail. You'll try thrice, you'll fail, but not for the 4th time. It doesn't happen that you'll fail all the times. Okay, so don't fear failure. Go do whatever you want to. Okay, you have some hidden potentials. Just follow your heart. Do what you feel like doing. Do the things that you love. Okay, you will get success. Okay, you will get success. Look at this postponement. There's something that you want to do, but you are just postponing it. Look at this. You want to do, but you are hesitant. You feel no. You feel tied. You feel chained to your limiting beliefs, to people around you who demotivate you, or who tell you cannot do it, or you are not worth it. Whatever it is, I don't know, group number 3. You have the potential. You have the potential. You just have to trust universe. You just have to trust your divine angels, God, whoever you've been praying to, and do what you want to. Follow your dreams. Okay, you want to start a business, you can. You want to do a job that you love the most, do it. You want to switch your career, go do it. Take risk in life. You won't fail. If you're doing things with full honesty, you will never fail in life. You will never fail if you are doing things with full honesty and faith in God. You will never fail. So let's see what else do we have for group number 3. Let's see what else do we have for group number 3. Okay, I think I got one message. Sorrow and the burden. Some of you feel that you are in this pain. I told you. You are in this energy where you're mourning over something, mourning over a loss of job, mourning because you have lost a job, lost a project, or you're not getting your money in time. Whatever it is, or you feel that there is a lot of responsibilities on your shoulder, and how will you meet them? You have your monthly expenses. How will you pay your checks, pay your monthly bills? I think this is all which is bothering you. This is all what is bothering you. Okay, you're very worried. You're very, very worried, group number 3, very worried. But I don't think you should be here. You have the Ace of Wands coming your way. Okay, I do see a new beginning. I do see a job offer coming your way. Some of you've already got a job. Maybe it's not as per your expectations because things are at a very initial stage. This is going to grow further. Just have faith and wait. Okay, that's the message. Some of you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulder. You're very worried. How will you meet your family expenses, or how will you pay your monthly bills? I do see that kind of energy for some of you. So let's see if we have any message for you, group number 3. Things are turning in your favor, group number 3. It's just matter of time. You may have to wait around 3 to 4 months. I do see you may have to wait. Some of you've already got a new job. You have got a new job. Some of the others of you who have not yet got, or you're still waiting, I think things are going to get better in 3-4 months. Okay, if you've already got a job and you're waiting for promotion, things may change, but it is going to take time. If you're waiting for a promotion, it may take 6 months. If you're waiting for your payments to be released, it will take around 3 months. If you're waiting for a new job, you're going to get it within a month or 2. Yeah. So just be happy. Don't be in this energy where you are in pain, crying, having sleepless nights, you don't know what to do, sulking. You know, your mind, you're holding on to your past, clinging to a job that's not there, clinging to a salary that you were drawing in the past. Some of you may be working for a company but on contract basis or on commission basis. I do see that kind of energy also. So let's see, do we have any message for group number 3? Please give me a message for group number 3. Please give me a message for group number 3. Please give me a message for group number 3. Please give me a message for group number 3. Please give me a message for... Okay, I get one card. Finally, reconsider. Okay, maybe some of you've got a job offer, but you are rejecting that job offer or a business offer. So this message is trying to tell you that reconsider. Don't just reject it. Sometimes success comes in the form of a small thing. So maybe things that you feel is very small, it may turn out to be very big in the future. You never know. So reconsider. Reconsider your career, reconsider the opportunities that you're getting, reconsider the offers that you're rejecting, reconsider. Okay, think whether are you doing right or wrong. Okay, maybe there's something that, yeah, this is a message. You may have to reconsider some decisions that you may have taken or you are in process of taking, group number 3. Let's see if I have any other message for you, group number 3. Any other message for my group number 3? Please give me a message. Okay, within the next few months, I told you, if you're waiting for something, this is going to happen within the next few months. A job that is coming, or a business proposal, or you are waiting for a promotion. I don't know, whatever it is, but it's happening within the next few months. All right, so let me see one last card for you, group number 3. We'll see if we have any last message for you, group number 3. Okay, I get it, finally. It's up to you. Now this card is trying to tell you, it's up to you whether to accept the offer that you have got or not. It's up to you whether to be happy or not. It's up to you whether you want to wait or not. It's up to you whether you want to be in this energy of pain or you want to be happy and hopeful about your future. Your happiness is in your hands, group number 3. Okay, you create your destiny. All right, so just be happy, don't be unhappy. It's up to you. Okay, life is too short, things are going to get better. Do you think you are going to be in the same energy for the next 5 years? No. Whatever energy you are in, if it's pain, it is going to change within 3-4 months, within 6 months, or 2-3 months. Within 2-3 months, things are just going to change in your favor. So it's up to you. How do you want to spend these 2-3 months? For some of you, you've already got what you want. Maybe it's a new job offered, maybe it's a new contract you've already got. But for the others of you who still are waiting for the right offer, right job, whatever, it is up to you whether how you want to pass this 2 months or 3 months. Okay, so you have a choice whether you want to spend this time being unhappy or whether you want to spend this time being happy. It's up to you. It's up to you whether you want to ignore the politics that you're going through in your office, in your work environment, or whether you want to get involved in the politics. I would suggest you ignore the politics. Okay, it's up to you. Your happiness is in your hand. Reconsider, and everything that you wish and hoping for is coming your way within the next few months. I do see you in a better place. Look at this. This is where you are going to be very soon. You're going to be happy and content very soon. It's just a matter of time. You may have to wait few months, 2 3 months, 4 months, okay, but things are going to get better for you, okay, group number 3. So just be happy. See, times are difficult, you know, things are very difficult because of the lockdown, but this is temporary. Do you think this is going to be forever? No. Things are going to change. There is going to be a movement. Markets are going to get better. Okay, there will be a lot of opportunity coming your way in the coming few months. So just wait, have faith, and be patient. Okay, you are a strong person. Pull yourself up and see the bright side of life. You know, we have lost so many people because of corona. At least you are alive. Look at the bright side. You are alive, you are healthy. That is what matters. There are people who don't have time. They are dying. We have lost so many people already. So the choice is yours. At least be happy that you are alive. Be happy that you are healthy. Don't be stuck and be in pain because of one job or some financial pressure that you have right now. Of course you have this pressure, but everybody is in this energy as of now. You know, as of today, I feel that most of the people in the world are in this energy. You know, they are going through the stress financially. Okay, it's not just you, group number 3. There are many other people who are in the same energy because of the lockdown, because of this pandemic. It's not only you, there are many other people who are going through this phase. All right, so just be happy. Things are going to change in your favor very soon. Okay, I told you, some of you are going to get this offer, Ace of Wands. I see a new job coming your way. I see a new business proposal. Some of you may have given interviews and you're waiting for the offer letter, and it's at a very initial phase. Okay, things are happening for you in your favor, but the thing is that you just have to wait and have patience. Just have patience. That's the only message. All right, so I really hope, group number 3, you enjoyed my readings, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. And you can stay in touch with me. My Facebook page, Instagram, all these details are mentioned below in the description box. You can connect to me there. Okay, so that is it, group number 3. You guys take care. Love you all. Bye bye.